Today we're going to work on these cute Christmas trees. This is how they look from the top. This is from the side. And they are absolutely gorgeous if you style your mantle or a Christmas table or whatever part of your home, office, salon will be absolutely amazing. And they are absolutely easy to cut and assemble. So let's get started. First of all, we'll need to cut 7 pieces of these trees, the flat trees. You can use our template. This is a stack of 7, and I take just only one, and I fold it with my hands in half. Be very careful and try to fold it exactly in the center, by the center line. So this line we need just to mark the center of our Christmas tree. And now we take the whole pile of 7. Here we go, 7 now, and stuck them together. Make sure that they aligned absolutely nicely. And we'll need a stapler, just a regular one, but the longer the better. And if you use pretty thick cardstock, here it is 160 GSM. Alternatively, I use designer papers in 120 GSM, but still I use the stapler, which is 24/6 or 26/6 staplers inside. And now I staple my tree right by this folded line, depending on the size, in 3 or 4 points, like this. If you see that some staples that happens, sometimes they are not nice, you can take them off and restaple. Do not leave the ugly staples in your tree because they may be visible. It's better if you redo them. See, it's a perfect one. This may take some time for practice, and well, obviously if you make these trees in bulk, your hand will be sore in the end of this project, but still that's worth it. So now we have our tree, all 7 cutouts stapled together, and we need to unfold them to make this 3D self-standing tree. What do? We fold just a couple from one side and 2 or 3 or maybe 4 from another side backwards, and now start folding one by one, especially if you use this thick cardstock like I use at the moment, 160 GSM. You may find that it's a hard job to unfold and press with your fingers. They may hurt, so you can use a ruler and make this fold smooth. So you actually, literally, you fold this tree several times into different directions because we need to make this fold, the center fold, smooth and soft. So then we can evenly spread the sides of our tree by 360 degrees, right? It's better if you do this project standing above your desk so you can see your tree from the top. It's exactly what you see at the moment in your monitor, because my camera is mounted above the desk. I never do this project sitting because it does not give me the full view of what my tree looks like. And once you are happy with all the sides spread it evenly. I'm not yet. And now it's much better. Look at them. Look how cute they are. You can make them in different colors. Green, gold, white, silver, whatever color suit your entire color theme in the house or in the office, wherever you style for Christmas. Very easy peasy project. Very fast to make. You can cut these templates either using scissors or your electronic cutting machine. It's up to you. Style your places for Christmas and don't forget to show us your beautiful Christmas trees.